we go, part 2 of boot camp. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. So just basically you move back and forth really fast, okay? There it is, move from A to B. Congratulations, okay? So what we can do is have this guy, for example, look, at 10 I'm here, at 30 I'm here, and halfway I can come over here somewhere with my eye. I can just move this up here. I wonder what's going to happen. So we're going to start paying attention to here, okay? So at this moment in time, this is Z, this is X, that's Y. So see, Y is up, X is towards me. See, down here, X, that's so I know what X is, okay? So what I'm going to do is halfway here, my record button's on. I'm going to pop it up here. I don't know if this is going to work. Sometimes it goes diagonally. Boom. Holy Moses, that was fast. Okay, so check this out. We know ground level is 0.5, correct? Yes, correct. Okay, so halfway we said, come on up. And at the end, this should have been on the ground. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. Doesn't matter to me because I just go here, 0.5, I'll make it come back down. Or you can visually go, something like that. But we know that the half point is 0.5. Okay, so let's see what we've done to our animation here. Press play. And then boom, right back. Okay, sweet. Okay, what did you guys think of that? Pretty good. So just notice there was no squash, there was no stretch. We're just getting a handle on things. Okay, so that part is good. I'm okay with this. Now for a little more something complicated. Okay, so I'm going to hide this. Thank you. I'll make another layer because I'll just make another cube in a minute. So was that over there? Hang on a second. My mistake. What I'll do is I'll select this and I'll right click over here and I'll add selected object and then I'll take visibility out. Bye bye. All right. This is another cube. I'll just call this cube side to side, or just side to side. Side to side. Sorry. Okay, that part's done. So now, a little more technical. No squash and stretch yet, people. Not yet. Ball, right there. Sphere. All right, excellent. Polysphere. Radius is 1. Okay. So, why don't we go up 1? Boom. There we go. We're on the ground. How's that? Oh, baby, that's nice. Okay, so same thing. Ball. Let's say I'm going to make this in 1 second animation. Okay, so we'll go to 24. Look at that. If I want to go back to that same time, look here. You want more time? Look at this, 200. What? Give me more time. If I want to stretch this down to 20 something, just punch in 24. 1 second of animation. Okay, so classic, classic, classic. Okay, ball starts up here, comes back down. Okay, whatever this number is, let's just say 6, 8, 10, does not matter as long as it goes up on the y-axis. Notice y is up. Okay, so I'm going to press S. Done. And I want, okay, thank you for recording my first lesson. Awesome, awesome. It's okay, buddy. All right, here it is. I want to go over here and copy it. And I'm going to show you another way to copy, all right? This is good stuff. If you hold down middle scroll button down and drag, press S, copies and pastes. What? That's a whole other method, folks. Okay, in the middle, we knew that this was going to be at 1. Look at that. I just punched in 1. Okay, if you have a floor in the future, you can do that. Okay, so notice, boom, boom, press play. Oh, nice and slow. Nice and slow. Back and forth. No weight whatsoever. Correct? Correct. Okay, some of you are saying, why don't you show me how to make the checkered floor? Here we go. Plane. And call this floor. FL. There we go. Floor. Come down here. Select it. I don't need the segments, so I'm going to say no subdivisions, please. 1. And let's make this 15 by 15. Right there. Okay. And I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click on my floor, assign new material, and I'll put a Lambert. No. Did I want to do Lambert? No, I didn't want to do Lambert. Well, maybe. Oh boy, I'm thinking of 20 things here. Let's go over here, and yeah, let's go over here. Instead of color, like guys, look, if I just do color here, I can make this into a red floor, right? There's some contrast there. Or I can come in here and say, you know what, we'll just do a checkered floor. Yeah, okay, cool. And we'll make the ball red. How's that? Okay, so I want to get out of this for a second. I want to get out of record so I don't inadvertently animate anything. That shouldn't happen. Double click here, red. Okay, the ball is red, and then we'll put the record button back on. All right, here we go. We digressed. What am I doing? Control A, Control A. Yeah. Okay, so here, I like to have my channel box always with me, not attribute editor. So Control A, Control A, Control A, Control A. Okay? So this is much easier for beginner animation. So here it is, back and forth. You guys said to me, it seems floaty. Beautiful word. Love that word. Okay, so there it is. It's a little floaty. So get ready. Here's where we're going to go next level of complication. We're going to make this ball hit and make an impact. Okay, so here's what I mean. All right, let's get a new layer going here. Wrong layer. Boom. Yes. Get a pencil tool here. Okay, here it is. You are on a roller coaster. Roller coaster starts here, slowly goes out, speeds up, slows down, and then maybe goes up and whatever. Okay, so this part here is acceleration. 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 Slow out and slow in. What? Slow in, slow out. Because it gradually dips and speeds up, okay? And here, what's going on here? Stay with me. No, not. Remind me later. Thank you. Okay? So that's kind of floaty here, okay? Notice that here, there's a downtime and then speeds up. We slow down here and then we go back down. All right? So that's a theory, right? But watch if I draw this for you guys now. If I just go like this and then go hit, reflect, and then slow. Okay, so excuse my drawing here. So I'll just do something like that. So notice this. This is an impact of some kind. Whoop, there we go. So if I change this from before being like this, you will notice that this speed hits, so gradually gets fast here and then fast back out. Right now it's just slow and slow out. So I'm not going to use any other terminology right now. I'm just going to show you. Okay, so here we go. 2 panes. We want 2 panes here. Panel 1, layout, 2 panes stacked. Oh yeah. Down here, I want you to go to panel, graph editor, which is what I have right now. For this activity, guys, you can, if you want, go to orthographic, just front view. There you go. This is the ground right there. Okay, that's my ground. And what I'll do over here, just to show you, there's X, Y. Oh, something's happening there. Nothing here. There's no change. Same number, 0, 0. Rotate, we're not touching any of these, so don't worry about it. So the only thing I've done is I've actually done something on the Y. Notice, this is the ground, okay, where it's a little darker. In the future, I'll put a box in there or something for you. Okay, but the key here, we're going to play an orthographic. Ding, ding, ding. And then we're just going to go forward. Boom, boom. No weight. No... there's nothing realistic about it. So I'm just going to hold Option and middle scroll. I could do this. Pan. I could zoom in, zoom out. Press F to frame. Okay, here we go. Battle stations, everybody. What minute? What do we got here? 8 minutes. Okay, I'm going to do this under 12. So here it is. I've done this recording before on my website, but whatever. All right, I'll leave it at that. See here? That's an elbow joint. I'm going to break this elbow joint so I can move this. Look, if I highlight this and I middle scroll, and you have to be in the move tool, highlight, middle scroll, oh, it's affecting both sides. If you've ever worked in Illustrator, you want to break these tangents, right? So what you do is you select it and you break the tangent right here. So if I highlight this now and middle scroll, watch what I'll do here. Look at that, sharp. So easy, gradual, slow out, speed and hit, and then slow. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, ready? There's going to be a difference already. Let me see. Where's my floor? Oh, there's my floor. Let's press rewind and then press play. Not bad. It's not bad. It's getting there. Really cool. Okay, I could take a play blast right now. I'm not. So what I want to do is have both parts, the in and out, like basically the impact points to be sharp. So I highlight, left click, middle scroll, and we sharpen this up just on the on the slope. We haven't done this yet. I haven't talked about that yet, but I'm just going to leave it on the slope for now, okay? And you'll see. Okay, let's rewind and press play. Boom. So much better, people. Okay? All right. So we're going to make it even better this time. So we're going to press F to frame. Okay? Now notice what happens here. Okay? Now watch this ball. I'm going to come over here, like maybe at frame 4, where it's slowing out, slowly coming out of this train station to depart. That's why we remember slow out of the train station, not slow in, It's not slow in here. It's slow out into fast in, fast out, and slow. Okay, so check this out. Watch what I'm going to do here. Watch. Look at this. Okay, so this is going to be like almost no movement here. Okay, watch this. See? No movement. It's holding up there. Not cool. Okay, so look at what I've done here. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm just going to really straighten that out. See that? Straight means no change. No change, and then speed up, right? Let's see what that looks like. This is very important, guys. You may think this is, I'm just going to say this one more time. You may think this is really introductory, but if you understand these concepts, you're going to rock later on in your animations. Okay, so check this out. Straight line means no change. Change. Sharp angle means speed. Speed, slow, and slow. As in no change. Let's watch it. It's holding up there, right? Okay, now watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to zoom out a touch more. Watch the craziness I'm about to do here. Look at this. Uh-oh. What do you think this will do? Going here, up, then down. I'm going to do the same thing here. Look. It's kind of like an overshoot. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Rewind. Play. What? Do you see that? How much control do you have here, folks? It's amazing what you can do in the graph editor. Okay? There. And, wow. Okay, what am I doing here for time? Sweet. Okay, we're going to shut this down. Okay, so what you want to do is have this gradual slow. Okay, slow out and then bring it in like that. Okay, so that's your idea. And these poles, try to imagine you're a skier and you want to stay on the slopes, people. Okay, on the slopes to the point that you don't want this to be a straight line. Okay, so you can have it like this, obviously. You can do this. That's for sure okay. But you'll see that I want to give it a bit of hang time here. Okay, so I'm holding middle scroll button down. I'm highlighting marquee and watch. Ready? And click out and let's see this. That is sweet. Impact, boom, hang, back down. So there's weight. Okay? So I'm going to, here, I'll even create a play blast for you guys. Okay? So I'm just going to zoom in a bit, frame it, right click, and I'll go to play blast. And this time I'm going to call it test ball 1. 1 bounce, whatever. 01 is really 1 bounce. Same thing. Okay, so apply. Okay, if I go Command L is loop. Not bad. This is important stuff, guys. I'm not going to introduce squash and stretch till later, okay? And scale, all that goodness. Next tutorial coming up, all right? Thank you very much. Ballion out here. You rock if you can do this quickly, all right? Bye-bye.